Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorials on HTML basics. Today we'll be looking at how to create tables. We actually did some stuffs around link and um, list and the rest. So what we'll be doing today, since we've learned how to make statements in HTML, so we'll do that on our tables. Just write creating creating a table, creating a HTML table. I think that works fine. So that's it. So we go enter. So everything you are doing, you can notice that everything we are doing is inside the body tag, right? So that's the main place or environment for our display on our web page. So what we'll do now is we'll actually use the table tag. So once you type the table, you see a pop-up here on the complete. So once you just press enter, it gives you the opening and closing tag. So I press enter. So now in creating a table, tables are made up of rows and columns. For us here, first of all, we have to know this tag tr. So these tags are actually arrange whatever we are putting inside in a row. So if I say that this is a row, this tr tag is a row. It's a row tag used for creating rows in the table. So there's a tag called the th, right? This is for columns. So you see, let me just enter this. Let's say name. Come down again, put the th. So I would have advised you to copy and paste, but as a beginner, that's not a good practice. So let's say age. So we'll just take our time to keep building it. So we're not in a rush. So this th, let's add country. Let's add country to our table. So we're just creating a simple table. So these th, these are rows. These are columns inside a row. So you see how they are arranged. So let me just run this. So when you press your Ctrl S to save, then you go to before we go to our browser, probably what I'll do is I'll just go to my folder, double click it, so you see what we have here. So you see the age, the name, the age, the country here. You see them. So let me highlight it. You see it here. So what we'll do now is that just go back to my Visual Studio Code. What I'll do is I have to replicate this. So if I want to create stuffs under it, so let me just this row, just copy it, come down here, paste it. But please, as a beginner, I don't advise you to copy and paste. Just go along with the process. So I'll just modify this. Let's say Gabriel, then age, for age I say 25. Then for this country I'll say Nigeria. Nigeria. So I paste this again. So this I have to modify this. Let's give another name. Let's say Sarah. Come down here. Let's say 22. Yeah, let's say Ghana. So save. So Ctrl S. Once you're done, go there. So we still have this. Now, if you just open your browser and you don't want to return to the folder, you can always identify the path in which your uh, folder is being saved. So you just input it in the search bar of your browser to get to the display. So I'll refresh this. Let's see what we've created. So you see name, age, country. So under it, you see Gabriel name, Sarah name 25, 22, so like that. So this is just how to create a simple page. So we'll also learn how to add borders to it. So that actually will actually include CSS in our code, but I think we're not going to CSS for now. So probably when we'll be doing that, I will show you how to go about it. So one other thing we can do is adding a caption. So I want to add a caption to my table. I want to add a table caption. Let me just say let's write a comment. Let me see, adding table caption. So whatever you are doing on your code, whatever code you are writing, please try to define what you do at every point, right? So yeah, on add caption, you can say caption. So you see it there. You can say user information, user information. So if I control S, oh sorry, control S, so go see, so you can see, so this works fine. All right, so we're going to see how we can, okay, all right, let's add borders to this table. Let's add borders so that to look a bit clean and professional. So coming to this table tag at the top of this place, you can just type at the opening table tag, just type border. You can see equals to, let's say 1. Let's give it 1. Let's save it. Come to our browser. So so you can see this looks perfect. All right, so this looks like a table. I think there's a border dividing each column field. So that is that for our table.